Bobcat Compact Tractor 235 is a versatile and nimble machine designed for a variety of tasks around your property or small acreage. Its compact size allows for excellent maneuverability while still providing the power needed for demanding jobs. Engine details. The Bobcat Compact Tractor 235 is equipped with a Dedong 3A165 diesel engine. This is a 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine with a displacement of 100.5 cubic inches, 1.6 liters. It delivers 34 horsepower, 25.4 kilowatts. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.